This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review.
Today we're taking a look at this telescopic ladder. We're gonna go ahead and test this out. So basically how this works is you just pull it up like so, and we're gonna demonstrate it. And once it snaps in place, it'll look like this. To unsnap it, you just push on the side, on each side here, and this allows you to bring the whole thing down. All right, so it does bow a little bit, which kind of scares me a little bit. So when you have it out further, it bows. I'm guessing you probably want to have it as close to straight up as you can, so it doesn't bow as much. Because when, I'm sure you guys saw, I was kind of being a little bit on the cautious end. It says place ladder firm level surface. Let's see. 150 kg maximum weight. Make sure that all the pins are in place. Yeah, so, okay, so there it says set the ladder at a proper 75 degree by bracing. Okay, so it says, okay, so that's what we've pretty much had it at. Yeah, it's just, it just seems like it bowed in a little bit. I think it more or less just feels scary versus actually, you know, it feels like it would like snap in and like snap completely off, but I don't think it will. I just think it feels like that. So we just got to get used to it. But let's show you guys pulling it down.